You want your car to last 500,000 miles. Then stop doing these 11 things immediately. Because the truth is, 9 out of 10 drivers are destroying their engines 1 mile at a time without even realizing it. These habits are so common, so routine, that even experienced drivers are guilty. But here's the kicker. One of these is silently cutting your engine's life in half. And no mechanic will ever tell you. Stay until the end. Because your engine's future might depend on what you do in the next 10 minutes. 1. Skipping oil changes or using the wrong oil. Your engine's survival depends on one thing more than anything else: oil. Oil lubricates the internal components, prevents metal-on-metal contact, and reduces heat. But once oil breaks down, it becomes sludge, turning your engine into a ticking time bomb. Mechanic's tip: use synthetic oil if you want longevity. It's engineered to withstand higher temperatures, resist breakdown, and keep your engine clean. Follow your manufacturer's interval. And under severe conditions like towing or high heat, change it sooner. Waiting too long is like gambling with your engine. Psychological trap. Drivers think, it still runs fine, so it must be okay. But damage accumulates silently, and you won't feel it until it's too late. 2. Revving the engine. When cold. Starting your car and immediately revving it is one of the fastest ways to destroy your motor. Why? Because your oil hasn't fully circulated. Cold oil is thick and slow to flow. Revving increases friction when your engine is least protected. Instead, let it idle for 30 to 60 seconds. Then drive gently for 3 to 5 minutes. Expert insight. BMW engineers specifically warn against high RPMs during cold starts, and it's even more critical on turbocharged engines. 3. Ignoring the cooling system. Heat is your engine's silent assassin. Your cooling system regulates engine temperature, but if you never flush it, you're asking for trouble. Old coolant turns acidic and can corrode internal components. Radiator caps fail, thermostats stick, and water pumps seize. Tips: flush coolant every 2 to 3 years. Check radiator hoses for cracks or leaks. Replace radiator cap every 50,000 miles. Real case: a neglected thermostat caused a full engine rebuild on a Subaru Outback. Cost: over $6,000. 4. Running low on oil or coolant. This sounds obvious, but thousands of engines die every year simply because drivers don't check their levels. Check your oil every 2 to 3 weeks or before long trips. Coolant every month. Warning signs: engine running hotter than usual. Dashboard oil light flickering. Sweet smell from vents. Coolant leak. Get in the habit. A 30-second dipstick check can prevent a $4,000 mistake. 5. Ignoring the check engine light. That little orange light, it's not a suggestion. It's a warning. Common ignored codes, misfires, can damage catalytic converters. Lean codes, air/fuel imbalance. Knock sensor faults, pre-ignition damage. Psychology. Many drivers ignore it because the car still feels fine. Solution: use a Bluetooth OBD2 scanner. Read the code. Act before it becomes critical. 6. Using cheap or wrong fuel. You think you're saving money by using lower octane fuel. You might be shaving years off your engine. High-performance engines require premium fuel for a reason. Lower octane can cause knocking, micro-explosions that ruin pistons over time. Tip: if your owner's manual says premium recommended, not required, you can use regular, but don't tow or drive hard. Also, avoid shady fuel stations. Contaminated fuel equals clogged injectors plus failed fuel pumps. 7. Hard acceleration when the engine is hot. This might surprise you. Flooring your gas pedal after a long highway drive can damage your turbo and engine. Why? Heat soak. When your car is running hot and airflow is reduced, like at a red light, engine temps spike. Full throttle at that moment can cause pre-ignition, turbocharger overheating, head gasket strain. Instead, let the car idle 1 to 2 minutes after high-load driving. Use smooth throttle inputs. 8. Not replacing timing belts or chains on time. A snapped timing belt is game over. Bent valves, destroyed pistons, catastrophic damage. Timing belts typically last 60,000 to 100,000 miles. Timing chains can go longer, but they do stretch and fail eventually. Red flags, slapping noise at startup, engine misfire codes, metal shavings in oil for chains. Ask your mechanic during service intervals, when is my timing belt due? If they say, you're overdue, do not delay. 9. Letting filters go too long. Dirty air filters equals reduced airflow, rich fuel mixtures, carbon buildup. Dirty fuel filters equals injector starvation, poor acceleration. Dirty transmission filters equals slipping, burnt clutches. Maintenance schedule. Air filter, 15,000 to 30,000 miles. Fuel filter, 20,000 to 40,000 miles. Transmission filter, 30,000 to 60,000 miles. Pro tip, always use OEM quality filters. Cheap ones collapse or bypass filtration. 10. Overloading the vehicle or towing beyond limits. Payload and towing limits exist for a reason. Overloading stresses engine, transmission, suspension, brakes. Even worse, it raises operating temps, which leads to thermal breakdown of fluids. Solution: know your GVWR, gross vehicle weight rating. Use weight distribution hitches when towing. Add transmission coolers for heavy towing. Ford F-Series trucks that last 500,000 plus miles. Most have extra cooling systems and stick to load ratings. 11. Driving short trips, constantly. Cold starts plus short trips equals engine death by 1,000 cuts. Why? Oil never reaches optimal temperature. Moisture builds up in crankcase. Fuel doesn't burn completely. Fouls plugs. If most of your trips are under 5 miles, your engine is always working at a disadvantage. Fix combine errands into longer trips. Take one 15-minute freeway drive per week to clear things out. Psychological triggers that keep killing engines. Let's get honest. The number one engine killer isn't any one of these habits. It's driver mindset. Common phrases. It's just a car. I'll fix it when it breaks. I don't have time to check that. These thoughts lead to procrastination, and procrastination kills engines. The most reliable vehicles? Owned by people who respect the machine, who treat it like something worth protecting. Bonus: habits from drivers who hit 500,000 miles. From real-world million-mile car owners, always let the engine idle for 30 to 60 seconds before shutoff. Use fuel system cleaner every oil change. Keep RPM under 3,000 for 90% of driving. Wash the engine bay yearly to prevent corrosion. Keep maintenance logs like a pilot's logbook. These drivers don't guess, they know their car. Latest trends that help prevent engine death. Oil analysis. Kits. Send your used oil to labs like Blackstone. They report wear metals, contamination, and oil life. Cost: approximately $35. Worth it? Absolutely. Engine flush additives. When used correctly, modern flushes remove sludge without damaging seals. Use every 50,000 miles max. Thermal imaging cameras. Some mechanics now scan engines for hotspots and uneven temps. Digital maintenance logs. Apps like Carfax Car Care or simply auto-track everything and send reminders. Final words: the engine longevity formula. Longevity equals 0.000. Preventative maintenance. Respectful driving, mindful observation, strategic upgrades. A 500,000-mile engine isn't a miracle. It's a math equation. What you do today determines how far it goes tomorrow. If your engine could talk, what would it beg you to stop doing? Now that you know these 11 engine-killing habits, how many are you guilty of? Drop a comment below. Be honest. Help someone else avoid a $6,000 mistake. And if this video saved your engine's future, smash that like button, share it with a fellow driver, and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes knowledge mechanics won't hand you. Because this isn't just about cars. It's about confidence, empowerment, and making sure your vehicle never lets you down when you need it most. Drive smart, stay powerful, And never let neglect steal what discipline can protect.